Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, your girl Peculiar Beauty. Welcome to you all. Thank you all for joining this video. So guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make your aloe vera living condition. Guys, this remedy is bomb. Like, this remedy is amazing. It is working. Guys, I will not share what is not working for you. This aloe vera is working. Have you tried aloe vera living condition? Are you still doubting if it works or it don't work? It works. Just do it weekly, like 2 times in a week. You will get your good result. Like, you will get your result if you do it constantly. You don't expect something to work for you and you are not doing it every time. You just do it only once and you expect that thing to work. No, it does not work that way. If you want something to be working for you, you need to be doing it consistently. Yes, you need to be doing it consistently. So guys, are you just coming across my video for the very first time? Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Guys, like I said, you need to be consistent in what you are doing. If you are doing a particular thing for yourself, you need to be consistent for that thing to work. Yes, like me, I do every week. I do it every week. Like, every week I do it on my hair everywhere, and it is working. It is working. Aloe vera does a lot. You guys know what aloe vera does to the hair. Aloe vera does a lot to the hair, to your skin, and many more. So guys, I'll be leaving it for like about um 30 to 40 minutes, so it will moisturize very well. Like the aloe vera we enter the hair so very well. So I will be leaving it for 45 to 30 minutes, or even more than 1 hour, or even 1 hour, depends on how you like to do yours. So I'll be leaving mine maybe for 1 hour or 45 minutes, you get. So guys, I will be right back. Let's me wait. I'll be waiting for like about 1 hour. I will be coming back to show you all how it looks. So guys, I just finished washing my hair, and this is what my hair looks like. I will always tell myself, your hair must not be a virgin hair before you treat your hair. Your hair must not be very good before you treat your hair. Your hair must not be like heady. You understand? Like, you have good hair, you understand? These people, you see that their hair is very long, they treat their hair and all that to get to where they are today. You understand? You have to treat your hair, even if you just have small hair, even if your hair is not even growing. Treat your hair. Is very good. It's very good. Use good remedy for your hair, and all these things helps. They are natural recipe that you can always use for your hair. You get. Your hair must not be a virgin hair or long hair or full hair before you can, before you can give your hair good treatment. No, your hair must not be like that before you do that at all. Me, I normally take care of my hair. Like, even if my hair is long, my hair is not long, I treat my hair. Yes, I give my hair the treatment it deserves. You understand? So that is it. If you are not treating your hair, like for example, you are telling yourself, my hair is not long, I beg, there's no need for me to treat my hair. There is no need for me to apply oil. There is no need for, you will see that your hair will be breaking, like your hair will be damaged. Even when you make your hair, it's not be up to 2 days, your hair will be scratching you. Like 1 week, you can even carry braid for 1 week, your hair is rough already, which is very bad. When you treat your hair with good remedy, you will see the difference. I'm telling you guys. We did this carrot oil together, so this is the oil I will be using. Like, I love this oil so much. Like, my god, I love this oil so much. I love it. The oil is giving. Like, this is the oil I will be applying on my hair, because I am about to braid my hair. Like, I want to braid my hair, so I say, okay, let me apply the oil before I start making my braids. So that is it, guys. There's nothing much. If you have hair, just as far you are a lady, it's good to take care of your hair. That's just the most important thing. You see this, my hair, even if my hair is not that kind of hair that is very long, but I treat my hair don't break. You see, like I always show you when I'm doing my video. See, there is nothing like all the ground will be full of hair. My hair don't break like that, because I give my hair that treatment that my hair wants. So guys, that it is. This oil is very good. If you have not watched that video, I will be putting it in this video. Go and check the link below, so you can see how I made this carrot oil. Do you see there is no hair on this comb? That's the limits that I have treated my hair. I've really take time to treat my hair, to give my hair the best. Like, anything that I can use to treat it, I'm using good and natural products. Yes, that is what I am using. Homemade products, what I do myself. So guys, if you like this video, stay tuned. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section, and I will see you all on my next video. Bye bye. I love you all. Ciao.